Hey everybody, Tyler Custom Upfits here. We're down in Temecula, California at KTM headquarters here. You can obviously see a lot of the race team vans over there. We brought back this race team suspension van. So let's check out the inside and see what Ryan and the team from KTM think. So one of the best things about this van is starting in the back. So we have the pressure washer, just some outlets and USBs to the pressure washer reel on a retractable inside. New floor, amazing new countertop, 2 vices to work with, our fork and shock holders, just all clean. It's white in here, so it's very bright, very usable. It's an amazing van. So the guys from KTM, I think, are digging it.
How's it going? Ryan Morris here from the Red Bull KTM team. We just got our van back from Todd and the Custom Upfits crew. They did a rebuild on our 10-year-old van, kind of updated it for a specific suspension van, and yeah, we're excited to get out and use this thing and enjoy this nice van that they brought to us.